Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today, I'm going to be unbagging a super awesome subscription that I'm pretty sure a lot of us can get behind. And I also wanted to give you guys a quick little kind of apology. Not too much of an apology, but kind of. I just wanted to apologize for the lighting. I'm out here in my car right now. And it rained. It rained. I never thought I would be so excited for rain, but literally, if you guys could see the scene at my apartment last night of all of the people hooping and hollering and dancing in the rain and being so excited. We had some thunder and lightning storms as well, but nobody's worried about those because we had a massive downpour. Like, we had flood warnings last night. And it was a good thing. We got rain. We're really hoping that it helped the fires and stuff. So fingers crossed there. So that is why I have such terrible lighting right now. But that does not excuse my hair. Oh, alrighty, you guys. If you would like to see what came in this leggings bag, then just keep on watching. Okie dokie. And after we just sat there and talked about the rain, it's starting to rain again. Yay! There's like no smoke in the air anymore. Super excited. Okay, so first of all, I had to open it because I didn't know exactly what it was. It didn't say on the shipping label, so I did open it a little bit just to take a peek at this letter here. And basically, it's just a letter to me about kind of what's in the box or the bag a little bit. This is the Legging Lovers package by My Panty Raid. So they also have an underwear subscription as well. And I just wanted to kind of show off the paper because yay, fall. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get into this because I cannot wait anymore. So right off the bat, I'm super excited about this. We got some pumpkin spice latte. Happy Fall from Leggings Lovers package. Java Mama. Fall in a cup. Cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and pumpkin. I cannot wait. Oh, so delicious. Okay. Now, and then I believe we have our leggings. I will have everything about this company linked down below. Prices, their website, any type of discount codes they may have. I'm so excited. Okay. Yay! I knew it. Okay. So she did say in the note, and I didn't want to give it away before I show you guys, that she does do different leggings for the different, like, months. So like December would probably be a Christmassy pair of leggings. October would probably be a pair of Halloween type leggings, like stuff like that. So for September, she did back to school. And where better to go back to school than the wizarding world? There's wands. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So let's talk about them. These are super, super duper soft. Really soft. When they stretch, that's what they look like. You can see a little bit. And then we have the stitching on the inside, which is really well done. I'm okay with that completely. And then the inside just looks like that. But yes, so wizarding wands. Look at that one right there. That one's pretty. I like that one. I've always wanted to make like brush sets that were also wands. So here's another one. And that one down there as well. That one's cool. It's got like a snake going down it. Is that a snake? I don't think so, but it looks like it. Ooh, I am so excited. Okay, let's talk about the waistband. So here's the waistband. Really, really stretchy. Very roomy. These are, I believe, the tall and curvy size. There's 92% polyester, 8% spandex. So that'll be a nice waistband to keep them up, because that's always my problem with leggings is they don't stay up. Like, they always tend to want to roll down. So this waistband I have high hopes for. Absolutely. Those are cute. Alrighty, you guys. So what do we think? Do you guys like leggings? I mean, who doesn't really like leggings? Am I right? So I am super excited to try these on and wear them. And they're Harry Potter, man. Like, who doesn't like Harry Potter? I love Harry Potter. Slytherin, not gonna lie. But that's all I have for you guys today. Short and sweet, but I wanted to be able to show you guys these. I will have everything linked down below for you. And like always, I love you guys so, so very much. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.